10 chart patterns at once, wedges, cups, double tops, triangles, all of it. Pattern overload is a real thing, and it's costing you money. There is one pattern, however,
The bull flag pattern.
it's defined entry, it's a defined stop every single day.
This is the one setup where almost every trade I've seen has used it, has mastered it, where it's pretty defined risk, entries, and exits. All you gotta do is be able to identify the trend is your friend. One of the best things about this setup is it is a trend following setup. There's a pause. You gotta be able to get in somewhere. So it pauses, and then you get the surge. You're going up, you pause, you surge. Now, when you start to define this, it's really important. It's not just any up move. We're talking about an aggressive up move on whatever time frame you use, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, daily charts as well. You want a clear, aggressive candle or possibly 2-3 sets of candles that are huge. They've got to be abnormal. Now, sometimes you're going to be very downward sloping, slightly downward sloping. Other times you can even be sideways action. It's that pause in the consolidation that you're looking for. You start to see liquidity and volume and the speed in the tape, if you're watching the tape, will start to slow up before you get that eventual breakout. Now I'm going to give you a couple of examples here because you got to look at the good and the bad when you're talking about a pattern in action. Now, one that was unbelievable, small cap or TE today, right off of the open. You can see the first candle is going to have a huge move up. Now there's continuation on the second 3-minute candle, but they crest at the same peak. So there is your flag, clear, distinct, obviously headed to the upside. You're gonna see a slight high made, lower high, lower high, lower high. Then we start to make a couple of lower lows. This gives you the clear flag pattern. What you're looking for after that is pretty simple. It's the breakout. There's your clean breakout. And when it comes to continuation, a lot of people will look at how much did we move in the original candle, and then you might look for that same target to the upside. Now it could continue. This would be an example of something that even after it broke the flag, you would have got that 1-to-1 on the pull, and then later on it does another pull back, another flag. Hey, there's bonus action for you, and breaks another one which gets to the high. The key thing here is it's a trend continuation, right? If it loses this bid, you're out. When you enter here, if it loses the support, you're out. Defined entry, defined exit, and you're not fighting the trend. Now, this isn't always going to work out, and you have to be able to recognize that. You'll be able to see, we have a couple of big candles here. Here's a big one on IBIT. You get a very, very explosive move in what was an uptrend as well most of the day. You're gonna get a bit of a channel down, and then it's unable to really hold. There is a break. There's a little bit of a break of that flag, but no follow through, none whatsoever. The good thing about this is you could either not be involved once this little wick happens, or if we get the break, you see the support, you're out before it completely falls apart. That's the key. When you see the flag set up, you have a support level to work off of. So the break either continues through or you're out for a defined risk. And if we go back to the first example, remember the target you're looking for. If you have that aggressive opening candle or move in the flag, then you should have good defined risk so that you're making 1.5, 2-to-1, 3-to-1 on your trade, because it's not always gonna work out. So you've gotta identify those 3 phases. That's incredibly important for the flag pattern, but it's something that almost every single trader that I've ever looked at has done some form of it. And I'll give you one extra bonus. If you can also have that pullback where the flag gives you a move off of the volume weighted average price, you get a spike up, it flags down, and now all of a sudden you're bouncing off of VWAP and you're breaking a bull flag, well, they call that Confluence, and that's a 2-for-1 right there.
The more simple, the easy to understand, the more repeatable it is. You only need one chart pattern to absolutely crush it every single day, and that was it. So rewind, review all of this. That's your one pattern that you need to be that successful trader, so let's go.